going on, guys? We're here trying to do some Dragy stuff. I had the Dragy long time ago, but I didn't have time to do the videos. I moved from Guam to the States, you know, military life. So I'm doing the Dragy thing right now. I have all season tires. I mean, it's gonna be in the street, so I just want to know how many miles the car can do. So let's do it. If I do more than 100, that's good for me. If I have better tires, I can do better time. I'm in map 2 on Phearable Tune. Let's see, I'm on 91 octane. Let's see what the car can do. Let me turn off the Dragy thing. I'm not good enough to understand this thing, so let's see. It's on. Wait, let me cancel it. Let me go in. All right, reset. Let's do it. Season tires, Jesus Christ. How is the knock control? Knock control is 0.64 right now. The car doesn't have any traction on the street. I can do more because the thing I use to hold the phone is broken. So yeah, I need to buy one and keep testing the car. I need to put E85 because I only have 91 octane right now. Yeah, I'm thinking about to sell all the parts for my car: intercooler, downpipe, FrontPipe, intake, high volume, Remark Exhaust. What else? The wheels. I have Enkei TS5. If I sell the car, because I'm looking for a Type R, if I sell the car, I'm in North Dakota. I'm looking for stock wheels. If you guys give me the stock wheels, I give you the Enkeis, and we can trade. And you guys can put money on the side. I'm not taking the lowering springs because that's too much work. But yeah, I'll be posting everything on Instagram. If you guys interested, just hit me up. I'm just need to find a Type R. But yeah, see you guys later. I forgot about this too. I was testing the car with this in the back. Maybe right there I have like, I don't know. I don't know how much that thing weighs. It's like 5 gallons, 2 5 gallons. Yeah.